Hello to everyone. My name is Shubham Baproji Shapavon, Division B. My topic is working capital. What is the working capital? Working capital is known as the net working capital (NWC). Is the difference between a company current asset, cash account receivable, customer, unpaid bill, inventory of raw material and finished good, and its current liability, such as account payable and debt. Working capital is means of a company liability, operational efficiency, and short-term financial health. If a company has substantial positive working capital, then it should have the potential to invest and grow. This is the life cycle of working capital. Inventory, account receivable, account payable. Key: working capital as net working capital (NWC). NWC is the measure of a company liquid and short-term financial health. A company has negative work capital if its ratio of current asset is liability is less than 1. Positive working capital indicate the company fund its current operational and invest in future activity and growth. High working capital isn't always a good thing. Working capital management, liquidity management, account receivable, inventory, account payable, short-term debt. How do you calculate the capital? Working capital is a different capital asset and current liability. It not to be confused with trade working capital and later exclude cash. The basic calculation of working capital is based on entire gross capital asset. Working capital, current asset, current liability. Working capital basic concept: gross working capital, net working capital, basic of time, permanent fixed capital, temporary variable working capital, seasonal working capital, special working capital. Example of working capital: consider the cash of XYZ Corporation. When XYZ first start, it had working capital of only rupees 10,000 with current asset averaging rupees 50,000 and current liability average rupees 40,000. In order to improve its working capital, XYZ decide to keep more cash receive and dedicatedly delay its payment and supplier is ordered to receive current liability. After making these changes, XYZ current asset averaging rupees 70,000, current liability averaging rupees 30,000, is working capital is therefore is 40,000. Thank you.